haka Hindu Terik Kasngi Balang Ubrai Nopra ka Meghalaya State Watershed and Wasteland Development Agency hapo ka Soil and Water Conservation Department kala pelong kerpang ya ka program ka bayade halor ka scheme ka balakhot ka Watershed Development Component Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana haka phalau jong u susutham auditorium Shillong haka ba u Menteri ka Sorkar u bakhmi ya ka tanat Public Health Engineering jong ka Meghalaya Usri Marcus and Marak lalong kumu Kongsan bot u MLA jong ka VPP na maureng keneng constituency uba having stone karapran lalong kumu Symbud Kongsan kadau bala pelong kerpang ya ka program hagar kasni kalong kumno ban persngau ya ka jidan kam panyai beteng ya ki jing sumar kerpang hakamar yang benyada ban nomdan ka jing terkhong berengat no kitolong khamtam ke bala ban khata yaki brio naka benta ka bam kadi bot ka rep karyang bot ha ka ju kapor banang penroy ya ka kamai kaji hakki kam kijam bat ka tre ka khata ki brio ha ka Jylla.
I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the exemplary work done by the Meghalaya State Watershed and Wasteland Development Agency, carried by the work of all those who had worked tirelessly in the previous years and are kept from service. Their dedication to the cause of watershed development has been commendable. The impact of their initiatives can be seen in the transformed landscape of our villages that were of once grappling with water scarcity and land degradation. As we celebrate the success stories of the SSTs and the transformative impact of the MKSY, let us also recognize that our journey is far from over. There is still much work to be done to ensure the sustainable use of water resources and continued prosperity of our agricultural communities. I call upon all the stakeholders, including the government officials, the NGOs, and the private sector to join hands in this noble endeavor. Lastly, let us recommit ourselves to the goals of natural resources, conservation, and sustainable agriculture. Together we can build a Meghalaya where every drop of water is cherished, every piece of land is nurtured, and every farmer is empowered to thrive. And may this Symbud Group Mela be a stepping stone towards a brighter and more sustainable future of Meghalaya. Thank you for being much.
I express my deepest gratitude to the Soil and Water Conservation Department under the leadership of our Director Kongsan for their unwavering commitment to implementing PMK SYWDC in Meghalaya. Your dedication has played a pivotal role in making this event a reality, and your ongoing efforts are shaping a brighter future for our farmers and self-help groups. In conclusion, let us reiterate our commitment to the principles of sustainable livelihoods, water conservation, and community-driven development. The Symbud Group Mela is not just an event, it is a celebration of our shared vision for a greater, greener, healthier, and more prosperous Meghalaya. May this Mela be a stepping stone towards a brighter and more sustainable future for our beloved state. Thank you, Kublai Matela.